Have you ever tried opening a website only to see a message saying, "This content is not available in your country"? It's frustrating, especially when you need to watch a video, read an article, or download something important. But the good news is, there are safe and simple ways to access blocked websites. No technical skill required. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access any website that doesn't open in your country, using tools that are free, reliable, and beginner-friendly. Let's get started. First, the easiest solution is using a VPN, or virtual private network. A VPN changes your virtual location by routing your internet traffic through another country. This allows you to access websites as if you were browsing from a different region. There are many VPNs available, but free options like ProtonVPN, Windscribe, and TunnelBear are great for beginners. Simply download the app, choose a country where the website is accessible, turn on the connection, and reload the web page. In most cases, the site will open instantly. However, VPNs aren't the only method. If you want something even faster, you can use a web-based proxy. A proxy works similarly to a VPN but doesn't require installation. You just open a website like hide.me proxy, proxy, or proxy site, paste the URL you want to open, and click go. The proxy server will load the blocked site for you right inside your browser. This is perfect if you're using a shared computer or don't want to install apps. Another trick is to use DNS changes. Sometimes, internet providers block websites at the DNS level. By switching to public DNS options like Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS, you can bypass some restrictions. On Windows or Android, go to your network settings, change your DNS to 8.8.8.8 or 1.1.1.1 and try loading the site again. While this method doesn't work for every blocked website, it can fix many access issues caused by regional DNS filters. If you're trying to open a website that is blocked only for your browser, try enabling Opera browser's built-in VPN. It's free, unlimited, and doesn't require a sign-up. Just download Opera, go to the settings, enable VPN, and reload the site. It works surprisingly well for simple region locks. Now, what if the website is blocked on your office Wi-Fi, school network, or public hotspot? In those cases, you can try using your mobile hotspot to bypass local restrictions. Switch your device to mobile data or use another network source, and the website may load normally. This trick is extremely useful for accessing apps or sites restricted by workplace or campus firewalls. Finally, remember to use these methods responsibly. Some websites are restricted for legal or copyright reasons. Always make sure you're accessing content safely and ethically. So now you know the easiest and most effective ways to access websites that don't open in your country, whether by using a VPN, a web proxy, DNS changes, or switching networks. Try these methods one by one, and you'll be able to visit almost any blocked site with just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more smart tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.